Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Legion, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Then choose fingerprint and passcode, click on app lock over here and use your fingerprint or click on draw pattern in my case and just enter your login method. After that, you need to click on the switcher next to fingerprint lock feature and tap on Lock Apps app. Then click on this plus icon at the top right corner and finally select apps that you wish to lock, in my case calendar. Then select complete at the top right corner and click home button. Now when I try to access calendar, as you can see, my fingerprint is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!